Newly 18, what does estate planning even look like? Or maybe the parents of younger adult kids, how do we involve them? How do we engage them? Generally, a minor is not allowed to do a ton when it comes to estate planning and wealth and serving as a fiduciary. And it's largely because in North Carolina and most states, a minor is deemed incompetent by virtue of their minority. And so they're not allowed to execute a contract or own property, serve in your plan in any way until they're 18 years old. And so when we have clients who have children who are older teens or younger adults, this becomes a topic of discussion. What do I need in place for my child? And also, how can they receive a benefit or serve in my plan? All they have to be is 18 to legally be able to create their own estate plan or serve as things like your executor, trustee, healthcare agent, or financial agent. But they legally being able to may not mean that they should serve in those roles, right? They need to have the competency and have the capacity to serve for you. Some people don't have any other options, and they're choosing young adult children because there's no one else to choose. But generally, at 18, we're able to create estate planning documents. The most important for a young adult are going to be powers of attorney for financial and healthcare decisions. If they become incapacitated, a HIPAA authorization so that mom and dad can continue to be in on the conversation with doctors, with medical care providers. As they get older and start to accumulate wealth, have kids of their own, they'll probably create something like a will or a trust plan. For parents who have young kids, we're really trying to contemplate how we want to involve them and benefit them. Meaning, is 18 the age that we want to give them property if something happens now? Or do we want to delay gratification, push it back, be a little bit more conservative or protective, and give them access later in life, maybe in their mid or late 20s? Likewise, as fiduciaries in your plan, are they appropriate? Not just are they legally allowed to, but are they the appropriate choice of all the choices you have to be your agent, to be your executor? All topics of consideration for parents with young kids.